Now it's recording.
New video shit. Me and Bree Easy. Juice Man.
And baby Tori.
Baby Tori.
And tight. I don't know how to get in there.
What?
And Aisha. And baby Tay. And baby Tori.
You know,
Look at her hair. She has no teeth. See how she was laughing? She was like,
Smile. CT. You see the dick. Come on,
Sorry,
say T. Say T.
Cheese.
Somebody give Bree an apple. Fly up. Blank. Blank.
Ready for rapping?
Hold up, yeah, hold up.
John.
Yo. Come on, Ty. You gotta get up here so we can hear it. Get up here so we can hear it. You gotta be on
It's
there.
our new video, right? Right.
Yeah.
Brie, you gotta get down. You gotta get down.
Get down, Bree.
You gotta get down.
Yo. Check it. I don't even know. It's hot, but I see snow. Hot shoe. Got a sick flow. Oh no, I see Bria and T doing a nasty beat. Watch my feet. My feet. My feet, and I just got slapped on the left side.
Stop! Pull the rest of your teeth out.
And I ain't even many. Count about 3. Show your teeth. I don't see them shits. I don't see them shits. Where your teeth? Where your teeth? Where your teeth? Fan, what the fuck? Tap to the beat.
Everybody here is nappy.
Yo, nappy haired it. Need to get the damn hair braided or just something. Big head look like pumpkin. What the hell? I see something. What dumpling?
Yeah,
What? Too many kids were depressed. Want to punch a hole in their chest. Big body on the camera.
well, man, boobies.
This is for Taisha when she goes home and she misses us.
Look like you got the people that got an overgap. They're like, yeah, talk.
Yeah. Hey, got a chicken in that. It's chicken in that bucket. It's chicken in that bucket. It's chicken in that bucket.